Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study IGCSE history. First, familiarize yourself with the exam format, including the different papers and question styles. This foundational knowledge will guide your study efforts effectively. Next, focus on building a solid chronological understanding of the historical periods covered. A clear timeline helps contextualize events and their significance. To make your revision effective, start by creating comprehensive notes for every topic. Condense information into manageable summaries that highlight essential details. Flashcards are excellent for active recall, helping you commit important dates, names, and terms to memory. Additionally, collaborating with peers in study groups can deepen your understanding through discussion and different perspectives. For optimal exam preparation, consistently practice with past papers. Simulate exam conditions by timing yourself to improve speed and accuracy. Carefully review examiner reports to understand common pitfalls and areas where students often lose marks. Finally, actively seek feedback on your essay responses from teachers or mentors. This helps refine your analytical and argumentative skills. As you approach your exams, remember to maintain a balanced study schedule to avoid burnout. Integrate regular breaks and ensure you get enough rest. Explore various online resources, educational videos, and supplementary textbooks to broaden your understanding. These can offer different perspectives and explanations. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Good luck with your IGCSE history exams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.